Congratulations, everybody. Wow. The smile says it. The smile says it, girls. There you go, Santiago.
Single file, side track, half on the right. Everybody got your name card.
Am I walking?
You're walking.
Okay.
It is my pleasure to welcome you to Southwest Texas Junior College 65th Commencement Ceremony. What a wonderful day this is. Graduates, look at this day as a day of achievement, success, victory, and triumph. You have sacrificed your time, your efforts, your finances. You have given, and you have earned.
Please bow your heads in prayer with me. Heavenly Father, we are grateful for this beautiful day. And
We're so proud of you. You've overcome obstacles, even algebra, many of you. You continue pursuing your dreams, your careers, and for that, we're very happy.
Privilege to present to you SWTJC's 2012 commencement speaker, Dr. Uvalde Honey Bowl.
It's been 41 years since I sat where you sit now. 41 years ago, I received my Associate of Arts degree from Southwest Texas Junior College.
Carlos L. Rios. Ernest Garza II, magna cum laude.
Carlos D. Gonzalez.
Chelsea Marie Morin Garcia. Crystal Ann Acosta.
Now the moment you've all been waiting for. Little time to drive again. You may now move your muscles to the other side.